Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines. Now click settings and now click switch account. Here you'll find it. Now here if you have any account, click on it and switch to it. And also you can create new accounts, you can add accounts, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.